We are heading into one of Mandeville's coolest corners. We're going away from all the hustle and we are taking you along on the ride.
The Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Yeah.
Hello, Wagwan. Pick up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. And today we're going to be going cruising through the Clovers. So let's get on with it. We are currently turning off the main artery of Mandeville and slipping into the Clovers. If you feel the temperature drop by exactly 2 or so degrees and your blood pressure follow suit, don't panic. That's just the Mandeville effect. We're leaving the bustle of the town centre, which, let's be honest, is mostly just people debating which bakery has the best hard dough bread, and we're entering one of the town's most established residential pockets. Adjust your mirrors, keep an eye out for a wandering ginger lily, and let's roll. As we glide through the Clovers, take a look at the houses. This isn't your typical concrete jungle architecture. Here we have the Mandeville Manor styles. It's a bit of British colonial charm mixed with I have a massive veranda because I enjoy watching rain clouds. This is an older estate, but it still have some really nice houses. I like the front of that one with those trees, making it look more relaxed and feeling all warm. Notice the lawns. In other parts of the world, people struggle to grow grass. Here, if you leave a lawnmower unattended for 20 minutes, the ferns might try to reclaim it. We've got bougainvillea that's louder than a Sunday morning church service. We've got hedges trimmed with the precision of a Savile Row suit. We've got the mist. It starts rolling in. Don't worry, you haven't driven into a gothic novel. It's just Mandeville's natural air conditioning. The Clovers is famously home to the retirees, those brave souls who spent 30 years in London or New York or Florida or Toronto and decided that they'd had quite enough of the underground. Thank you very much. You can spot them by their impeccable fences and the way they look at a stray leaf on their driveway with mild personal offense. And this is it. We've come to an end of a road, so we're just going to turn around and show you what it's like going back up on the other side. It's quiet here. The loudest thing you'll hear in the Clovers is usually a distant weed whacker or the sophisticated pling of a teaspoon against a teacup at 4 p.m. It's the kind of neighborhood where the dogs don't bark. They merely inquire as to your business. A bit of trivia for your journey. Mandeville's layout, including areas like this, was heavily influenced by the mid-century boom of the bauxite industry. While the red dust stayed out in the mines, the wealth built these winding ways. The Clovers represent that golden age of Manchester living. It's suburban, yes, but with a tropical soul. It's the sort of place where you would expect to find a hidden garden that leads to a Narnia made of pimento trees and orchid houses. We've traveled very long into this little estate, and it's time for us to go back to reality. As we reach the end of our little loop through the greenery, we're heading back towards the main street. Take one last deep breath of that crisp 2,000 feet above sea level air. Whether you are heading to the market for some yellow yam or just finding a spot to hide from the afternoon showers, remember, you are in the coolest town in Jamaica, literally and figuratively. So, mind the wildlife, keep your indicator ready, and stay classy. Tell us what you think about this neighborhood in the comment section below. Is this one that you would consider to be something that you would want to live in, or something that you would want to model a similar design from? We would like to hear from you. Jam Farm Tribe, I came in and saw Eliona doing her retwist of her locks, and I had to do a video of her in the act. Look at what she do already at the back. Look at that. They literally look like they're locking.
And it's on neck.
Huh?
A week and a half.
Woo! Yep. She doing it all by herself. Cause she don't want nobody do it for her. She don't want nobody in her head. Yes, my dear. So you're planning on finishing at the whole of it, you do?
No. I'm going to school with this bush and thing by my head top.
Okay.
And now.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to leave out later for school.
That's fine.
Wait, no. I need to go to school early.
You did say that you're going early tomorrow because you need to go.
I need to get my desk.
Make sure so your desk earmark. Oh, so you're doing two different gel? What, they each have different role?
Yeah, because this one is useless. I'm using this to moisturize my hair. I'm using this to hold it.
Okay.
I'm using this. And this.
Okay. That's fine. Well, I'm going to leave you, make you get on with your things and finish it off so that you can get back on your schedule. But I thought I needed to come and give you a little look at how you're doing it. Hey! So, Jam Farm Tribe, tell me, is this a journey I should go on too?
I'm going to do it for you soon.
I should keep wanting to tell me I should do it. Well, she's been telling me ages before. She have one set up nice, like a setup here. You see our hair and check out how we part. Anyways, me go sort out the clothes them. And left you make your do a yard. And then me go iron. So layers. I already do the dishes, so that's sorted. See you later.
I'm on the next section. I thought I was on the next row and I'm the next one.
Oh gosh, I think you have. Oh yeah, you know, do around this, so you go to this at a different direction. I was thinking about the side over here, but it looks like those are going down. Okay. Anyways, you wanna do it by yourself?
From like here down.
Okay.
It goes like this, but I'm going to barrel twist the front.
All right then.
Back.
Well, now we see how we look when you're done later. So you run me out.
But you just said later.
Because out you're dead. I told you guys the other day that chicken is on ration. It's still the bar ration. So this week they actually have chicken, and they have smaller ones, which is good. However, them now decide say one chicken per customer. So literally, that's how them do it, and then I give no consideration or no special consideration throughout that. So this is what we managed to get. So I've managed to get 3 chicken because 3 we go out and 3 we come home. Each person I come home with 1 chicken, but at the time I didn't know that there was going to be that restriction. So I was hoping that when we go they have chicken, and they did. And so that's it. So I wanted 4, but I only could end up getting 3. So one next day me go out, me just have to go in at the supermarket, go pick up one because me need it. And so this is sitting on my office show now me get. Elioda was like, Mommy, please, I don't know why you're buying that same thing. This. So this is how much it is. I normally buy it when I'm going to either make stew peas or I go make some red peas soup. And I've been longing for some red peas soup. So I buy some red peas and I buy some chicken neck. So I can use them to make some red peas soup one day in the week. But when I do, I will definitely share it with you. Because I long for it, really do. So I go just make some and see how that goes. So we had to get some nuggets and stuff because them not have no chicken strips, no chicken wings, as in the ones that are already packaged and just need to put in the oven or put in the air fryer. They don't have none of them stuff in there. They did have nuggets, and so we got some of that. So we have some added chicken for use, and I do have some fish that I got to compensate. That's what we have to do right now. I bought myself a rock bun. I was talking to a friend the other day, and she mentioned rock bun, and I was like, oh, I could eat some rock bun. I haven't had it in a little while, so I decided I was going to buy it. And I saw it today when I went out to the shops. So I'm gonna get myself a piece. I thought I'm going to buy some. Yep. So I'm going to just have a little piece for my little treat. Yeah, I like it with cheese. How do you like it? When was the last time you had some? Tell us in the comment section. Maybe put one little slice and put cheese on it and go eat it. The real question to ask is, how is it that Jamaicans are going to redress and overcome these disparities that we have on the island? How it is that we're going to reduce the need for people to leave this country to go elsewhere? Because for a country who has at its core work and needing to do work in order to get ahead and have had freedom for so long, and people who fought through for liberty in a system that was extremely oppressive, sometimes we need to ask why it is that those people who work tirelessly haven't had more progress and more success in elevating the stature of the social norms of Jamaica, and why it is that we give way to what we refer to as the status quo that is undesirable and that doesn't meet the need of the majority of the people. What is the role that Jamaicans at large play in transforming this landscape? How is it that as Jamaicans, in whatever nook and cranny we are and whatever space we occupy, that we can make a difference and transform the sphere that we are in? Because just as how a country or a city falls because of the enemies that are on the inside, it's equally the way in which they build. They build by finding solutions within, solutions that serve the people and that addresses their needs. We see that there are problems and there are threats and there are opportunities at the same time that we can have by finding solutions. We see that there are issues that have been highlighted that need to be addressed to bring Jamaica to a better position for its future. And we know that these things are going to take time because we are dealing with individuals who are needing to change, to shift, to transform, to rethink and reposition. The path to success is meandering, and there are many, many trials, many challenges along the way. And it's about how do we have one vision, one aim, and equal level of responsibility and accountability to see that it is in each and every one of our duty to work together to get Jamaica to where it wants to be. Because after all, the people of any country are the ones who are the taxpayers and of course the government of every country, because the people that are in positions of power and places of power were put there, were elected to be there by the mass, because we are in a country of democracy. So how therefore can we actually play our part in being the government that we want for the country that we're in? We can't want transparency when we don't want to operate transparently. We can't want efficiency when we don't want to behave in a way that is efficient. We can't want to have civility when we are not prepared to behave in that way. So, as it is often said, it only takes one weak link to break the chain, one bad apple to spoil the lot. So it means that we're all going to have to see how we can work for the greater good of the build out of Jamaica in the way we want Jamaica to go. There's nothing wrong with wanting to see Jamaica do well. There's nothing wrong in highlighting the glaring problems and the obvious challenges that are there on the island. However, highlighting it is not good enough. When you highlight it, then we need to think, what are we going to do about it? Because we need to redress it. We need to work to make sure that we're doing what we can in our little sphere, in our little corner, in our place where we are, to make the difference, because we have to be the difference that we want to see. We can't want trustworthiness when we are being dishonest. We can't want perseverance when we are quick to give up. We can't want persistence when we are inconsistent. So we are needing to be what we want to see, because when we do that, we influence the people around us, we influence our children, our work colleagues, we influence the people in our community, and we motivate and encourage people to want to be different, to do differently, and to pull their weight. So we need to see how we can each do that, because the smallest of us in terms of age, the youngest of us, no matter your social stratification, you are able to make a difference and make an impact. And it's all about us recognizing, how do we show up and show out in these situations that Jamaica is facing, because with every challenge there is an opportunity waiting to be taken advantage of.
The Jamaican family, where I living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me. The Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me, yeah.
Thank you so much for staying with us here on this another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. We want to say bye for now. Do take care, and until next time, walk good.